Hi, I'm going to show you how to do a clicker game on Scratch 3.0. First, let's delete this cat sprite. Now, we're going to paint a sprite. You can paint any sprite you want. It can be a planet or a cookie. Well, for me, I'm just going to do, I guess, a simple money sprite. So let's get the circle, but I recommend 5, but you can pick whatever outline you want, and I'm just gonna select it to yellow. Now I'm just gonna, okay, that's not really yellow more please. Yeah, that's more yellower. Now I'm gonna go to details, select this as black. Now it's gonna put the money sign there, and we're just gonna enlarge in this. And try and center it into the middle of the circle. Now we're gonna select all this, and I'll make sure it's in the middle. Okay, like that. So now, place your sprite wherever you want. I would recommend, I would put it on this side, but for now I'm just gonna leave it in the middle. Or we just go, now we get the block, go to 0, just gonna do 0 and 0. And you can press that and it goes right to the center of the screen. So when the flag clicked, go to 0, 0. So now we can go to control, get the forever loop, and get the if statement. Now we can go to sensing, get the touching mouse down pointer and mouse down, because if we just put mouse down, it's going to take any mouse down on the screen. So like say if we have an upgrade, when you press that, this sprite thinks it's been pressed, but actually it hasn't been pressed. So we're going to need touching mouse pointer as well. So go to operators, get the and, just slot touching mouse pointer right here and mouse down here, and put that inside the if statement. Now we're gonna make a variable. I'm just gonna rename this variable right now. Just say cash, I guess, and let's just take that, and I'll use this counter for now. So if touching mouse pointer and mouse down, then you're gonna go to variables, change cash by 1, and make sure to get the set cash to 0 at the top. So it should look like this, right? So now I'm gonna make it feel like you're actually pressing the button. So I'm gonna go to looks, and I'm gonna get the set size. Just get 2 of them, and select the size you want. Maybe let's try 95. Okay, maybe not 905. Maybe 94. Let's click that. I think 94 is fine. If you go to 94 and back to 100. So now we're just gonna do like this. Actually, I should put that at the front, this, but we're not gonna put the set size of 100 right off, because then it's gonna be like glitchy. So we're gonna go to the control, grab the wait until block, place it in the middle, and go to operators, grab the not operator, and then we're just gonna duplicate this mouse down and fit in there, and now we're gonna put the set size to 100% right after. So now it should look like this. As you can see, every single time I press it, it actually feels like it actually looks like I'm actually pressing it down. So yeah. So this was my first video of video on YouTube, but this is just the basic of how to make a sprite clicker game, part 1. So yeah, so bye.